Nuuu. Discover smarter finance opportunities.
Paper trading. So, what exactly is paper trading? Well, paper trading precisely is a trading in the real market in real time, but with virtual money. Just by the definition, you would see that there are quite a few advantages of paper trading. 1. Gives real-time experience of market dynamics. 2. Helps you develop and test strategies of your own. 3. It is a platform to make mistakes while learning without really incurring losses for the mistakes. All in all, paper trading is a must-use platform for the new and young investors.
Ready to get started? Invest with Nuuu. Download the Nuuu app now.